House, apartment for rent. Pinapaupahang bahay. 12,000 pesos monthly. Ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. House apartment with garage, with one separate room, lock bed, bungalow style. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Nakatiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Yes, it's inside subdivision, good community, flood-free location, malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. House apartment for rent. Pinapaupahang bahay, 12,000 pesos monthly. Location, Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome at maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa ating page. For today's video, ngayong August 2025, ito po yung unit open na for viewing. Itong vacant na house apartment for rent ngayong August 2025, 12,000 pesos monthly within Molino, Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Ito po ang full video ng na-visit natin at na-locate na bahay. Ito po ay yes pets allowed, yes kids, and yes parking, may garage, pwedeng magtindahan. Ito po yung vacant na house apartment for rent ngayong August 2025, 12,000 pesos monthly sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Ito naman po yung isa pang kusina, may built-in cabinets na rin. Ito po ay mabe-vacant pa lang, na ganun na rin, bakante na, pwede nang mabisita anytime. Ito naman yung pangalawang bathroom. So, nakita niyo yung video ng bahay. Napakaganda ng pagkagawa ng bahay. Ito yung house apartment for rent. Maraming salamat.